about the ZBCN. So ZBCN right here has been a pain, just like every other trade has been dipping for the whole day. We had dip after dip after dip after dip, 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 dip. And I warned you guys, I made over 10 videos, around 10 videos today. Saying you will get a dip. I mean, it's weird when I'm eating a protein yogurt on stream. VWAP and money flows going down. Pretty easy to see right here. Money flow, this red thing on the daily chart going down. This is the daily chart going down. 3 hour is not loading properly on Bybit. So here's what I think about ZBC and USDP. I want to see if we have the maxi pair as well, to see if we have the net longs and shorts. But right now I wouldn't be buying it. I would not be interested in buying this right here. We are in a definitive down dump, and I just want to show you. We will add the Heikin Ashi candles. We want to make sure we have the Heikin Ashi candles here, just like so. Look at that, look at that. Heikin Ashi is curving down. So this is the next candle. This is what I think will happen. Let's add, first I want to add this to my favorites. I'm on a new trading view account, so I want to add a bunch of stuff. I'll also add the bar, brush bar. So let's start with the text. Next 2 days equals dip. This is what I think. Next 2 days will be dips. We also want to add the arrow here. Arrow marker. Next 2 days right here will be dips in my opinion, and the reason behind this is normally when we have this pattern on the daily chart, VWAP plus money flow curving down, normally have bearish momentum, and that just stays for a while. Same with other coins that I've shorted, like this one right here. I gotta remove the alerts. For some reason it wouldn't let me. We also had AIT right here. This was something else that we shorted, or and what was the, it was like this. This is another thing we shorted, and it has been bearish for the most part. I'm not worried about this trade. I'm not worried about any trade today. We've had a good run, and I'm mostly interested in taking shorts for today and tomorrow. I'll have more news later. This is a little bit more info about my P&L on meme coins, 274 grand here. If you want to follow meme coin trades, use the link in the description. I will also have a link to my course, and also I'll have links to BingX, where you can claim 8 grand in bonuses, and also my signal chat. All of that will be available in the link in the description below. This video is no financial advice. See you next video. Bye.